Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, this is the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the wild. The new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra leaks in a real-life look. Samsung's next big flagship phone has leaked into the hands of a human well before its official announcement, with the new Galaxy S24 lineup launch rumored to take place on January 17. We are just weeks away from the official launch event of the Galaxy S24 flagships of South Korean giant Samsung. Google saw it and gave us the Google Pixel 8 Pro of our dreams with a flatter and more pleasant to use design. It's now Samsung's turn with the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. Although I have my concerns after seeing both the renders and now this supposed in hands-on device. Two famous tech insiders David Martin and Ice Universe just shared on their Twitter profile page what the new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will look like in real life. The device in the hand matches up perfectly to the Galaxy S24 Ultra renders from weeks back as familiar design from Samsung. Although it is indeed flatter on the display and backside, the frame still looks a bit curved. But the overall takeaway here is that Samsung did indeed listen, according to the available data, as the new leak has made its way online, revealing the alleged Galaxy S24 Ultra variant in silver. The new upcoming Samsung flagship looks nearly identical to the outgoing Galaxy S23 Ultra model, but with a flat screen, flat back, and almost flat side edges as well. The new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will retain the camera design of its predecessor, with all four camera sensors housed inside a separate metal ring, as in the Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. We can also observe the rumored titanium alloy frame, which is set to replace the armor aluminum casing from the previous generations. Obviously, we could have new cameras in the same slots, but the alignment on the back is identical. Bottom placement on the frames is as well. The only difference in the appearance when compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra model is that flat display up front. There is not much else to say either, other than it's flat. We love it. Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy S24 lineup on January 17 at a special event held in San Jose, California. Pre-orders are rumored to start directly after the event, while first shipments will likely arrive a week after that. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.